talagang mababaw talaga ang luha ko ngayon kasi menopause na ako. Nakakaloka. Susunod na pelikula nga pala yung tukol naman sa menopause. Oo, ngayon nakakaloka. Anyway, sa point naman na to, I'm so happily married. I just got married. I married twice, but I'm a late bloomer. So I cannot imagine myself to reach that point na magpapa-anal. It's very painful, just the idea, because you invested a lot of emotions. But anyway, speaking of my role is Attorney Jackie, and I'm the tool so that mai-present namin ang pinagdadaanan ng gustong magpa-anal. So, as Attorney Jackie, ako ang magpipresenta. Ito yung mga proseso. At sa opisina ko, makikita itong dalawang ito. And so, the situations are maybe familiar to all of us na parang pumupunta sa mga, alam mo na, sa mga agencies na kailangan ng mga assistance sa legal procedures. The situations can be funny. And I'm very thankful to Direk Jeff and to Chris because they wrote very funny scenes but are not pushing. It's just real and familiar and very Filipino and funny, and it's really happening. So, to balance off everything. So, Direk Jeff, thank you for this opportunity because, you know, we might be forgetting. Direk Jeff is one of the awarded directors and his films are known internationally. So it's an honor to be working with you again. I really like how you give us the freedom to interpret our roles but not going overboard. And I really appreciate the tone of our movie, which is very sincere.